Maintaining a company's brand and style guidelines is critical to making a consistent user experience. That's why creating style sheets and leveraging theme data is critical to your software development practices. With Figma and Parabeac, you can quickly get this set up for your development team in seconds by using Figma to set up the style sheets with theme integration and using Parabeac to generate the code for it. Let me show you how. First, clone our Kickstart Figma file linked below. The file follows Material 2 specification. Then, customize the styles, both color and text, in Figma. To learn more about how this file is set up, check out our documentation. Next, head on over to Parabeac Cloud. You'll need to log in, create a new project, and select the theme project type. Next, select a GitHub repository, name your project, paste the Figma URL, and provide access to Figma, either by logging in or providing a personal access token. Then, check out all the detected styles and hit apply. Now you have your style sheets and theme data easily accessible for developers. All they have to do is download the code straight from GitHub. Parabeac generates an entire Flutter project, but if you have an existing application, you can just import the relevant .g.dart files. To use the light and dark themes that we just created in Figma, write these 3 lines of code where relevant. Now, if you need to create a component, we can access the colors from the theme like this. That's it! Hope this helps and you give Parabeac Cloud a try.